Hi friends, now I will show you how to change your Google Gemini language. Now I will show you. Open your Google Gemini, then click your profile picture, and after opening manage your Google account and this one. After opening this personal information, select this one and scroll down this totally. The languages are appear. This language is there. Can you click this button language? You can select this one. You can click this pencil button. The languages available this there. You can select this English. Click the change this English language. It is very easy. Please subscribe my Tech Dude channel. Please like, please share, please comment. Thanking you once again, your Tech Dude.